replace this rear main seal. The reason why you replace the rear main seal, and if you guys didn't know this, when you're doing any kind of clutch job, you need to replace the rear main seal, because anytime you put a brand new clutch on, it's going to grab that flywheel a lot harder, especially since you have new flywheel. It's going to grab that flywheel, the transmission and the clutch is going to grab that flywheel very, a lot better than it was on a worn clutch, and that flexing is going to cause that rear main seal to leak. So even if you pull this off and this rear main seal is not leaking, be sure to replace it.